Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this arrow stitch. I made a video about a similar stitch, arrow stitch. It was an arrow stitch also, and I told you I will make a different version of it, and I'm making it now. And for this one I use a 4-play yarn and 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Now I will use again a 4-play yarn and 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. And for this stitch, we will need multiples of 4. Make 4 chains how many times you want. I think that's enough for me. And when you complete, add 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. That's only one time. Then turn and skip this first chain. Don't count this one as a loop, okay? Skip this first chain into this second chain. Insert your hook and make a single crochet. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it, yarn over and pull through from 2 loops. And just keep making single crochet. We will start like that, and it will look our stitch more beautiful, I think. Oh, we have a mosquito. And that's the last one. I complete my single crochets and start the next row with 3 chain. We will make this row now. For start and for the end, I put 1 double crochet. You see, that's a 1 double crochet here and 1 double crochet here. Actually, it's 3 chain. We will count this as a double crochet. Now, yarn over twice. Don't count here because we have a double crochet. Skip 1, 2, 3. Into that 4th stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through from 2 loops, yarn over and pull through from 2 loops, and pull through from last 2 loops. That's a triple. Yarn over 1 time, and now we will work into this stitch we left here, but we will go behind this treble. Okay, go behind this treble, insert the first stitch, here, insert here, grab the yarn, 1, 2. That's a double crochet. I will show you one more time. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch we skipped, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. I will make it one more time. And we complete the first one like that. Yarn over twice. Starting from here, we will skip 1, 2, 3 into the fourth stitch, insert, make a triple, and go back into this skipped stitch, make double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3 into the fourth stitch, insert and make a triple, yarn over one time, make 3 double crochets in a row, 1, 2, 3, and now I will make it one last time, 1, 2, 3 into the fourth stitch, make a triple, turn back and make 3 double crochet. And we still have one more stitch here. We will make our double crochet here. And with this way we complete the second row. Chain 3 and turn. Yarn over twice. We will make a triple. We will start with a triple again, but where will we make it? It's easy this time. You can see these triples stitch here. You see? We will insert here and make a triple. And we will make our 3 double crochets here, but this time we will make them in front of this triple. Just put it like that and make your double crochets. One, 2, 3. And with this way it will look like an arrow. Yarn over twice, insert into this triple stitch and make it triple. Go back and make 3 double crochet in front of this triple. 2, 3. Yarn over twice, insert into triple stitch, make a triple, 1, 2, 3. And for the last time for me, make a triple, make 3 double crochets. And insert into this third chain, make a double crochet. It will look like that. Starting from here, we will repeat this row and this row. That's only 2 row repeat. It's easy to make and I like to make it very much. You can use it anywhere you want also. I want to show you how to start it again with 3 chain, yarn over twice, insert directly into this triple stitch, make a triple, and you have 3 stitches left here. Go behind this triple and make 1, 2, 3, and yarn over twice, make your triple and keep making like that. And how will you close it? When you make all of your rows, chain 1, turn. We start with single crochet, as you know, and I will finish with single crochet again, starting from this first stitch. Put 1 single crochet for all the stitches you have. As I said before, it will show your work more beautiful. If you are making a blanket or a throw with that, you will make an edge, and it will be easier to make an edge with the single crochet row, as you see. If you want, you can make it longer and you can make a headband, an easy headband with this stitch. And I saw cardigans on Pinterest making with this stitch. It looks so beautiful. It looks cozy. You can use them in colder days, like a long jacket. You can use it anywhere you want. I hope you like this tutorial. I want to show you this one too. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram, Pinterest and website address. You can reach me there. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.